Hey y'all, I'm out on a walk. I'm trying to make this as quickly as I can. Listen, earlier I stitched a video with Chef J, Jai. She's a woman from Chicago. She's a wonderful chef apparently, and she made a video about um, Trump signing that executive order this past Friday, where he is now going to allow cryptocurrency, real estate, and private equities to be invested. To be a part of your 401k. Sorry, they're doing something. All right, so I mentioned, and by the way, I'm making this video again because I made a mistake of putting I'm not going to say it, putting something on the screen that TikTok does not like. So they are suppressing the video a bit. Basically, what I want to say is do not get out of your 401k. All right, so I have actually since spoken with her, and I understand her situation, but her situation ain't yours. So do not, I'm going to say it again, do not come up out of your 401k. That will give you the best opportunity to grow your money, okay? You need to understand a few things. First of all, the ink ain't dry, right? He just signed it on Friday. It needs to go through 3 different departments, and the language needs to be written before it could actually happen. That's the first thing. Second thing is it has to go to brokerages and market makers that would build a fund to do something like that, to add those types of products into the funds that would eventually fall in your 401k. Next, it has to go to your employer, who will decide if they want those products within their plan, okay? The next thing is you. Then you decide if that's something you want to invest in, all right? The problem with those 3 things that I mentioned is that they are risky assets, all right? So I'll give you an example. If you're investing in real estate, I own real estate, by the way, you can't just sell it, right? It's not an immediate thing. So and think about the housing crisis, all right? A lot of properties ended up underwater, whether that be residential or commercial. Same thing happened. That's why that is risky. The private equities, the reason that's risky is because it says private. Private means they don't have to tell you or disclose the exact things that they're invested in. Sometimes they may cook the books. They may tell you that some of their projects are worth more than they really are. Trump did that shit too. And then the third one is cryptocurrency. Now, I own $500 worth of cryptocurrency. That is all. And the only reason I'm in that is because I was playing around with a couple of my friends. We decided to buy a little bit, and I bought a little bit. That's all. Most of my money is in companies that provide products and services. And I mean long-standing companies, okay? I teach people how to invest, right? So I understand the things that I'm invested in. I don't understand crypto, so I don't mess with it, okay? I can't see it, touch it, or use it. I don't mess with it. Now, the reason that I stitched that video is because so many people said they were going to, they were coming up out of their 401ks. You're going to do a few things if you do that. One, if your company matches, you're going to miss your company match, okay? That is free money. When I worked for AT&T, my company would match me at 80 cents on the dollar, all right? So if I laid down $100, they laid down $80. That's an 80% gain off the rip. Do not miss free money, right? Don't miss free money. The next thing, if you are under the age of 59 and a half, there's a penalty, right? A retirement account is for retirement. And if you take that money out prior to that, you're going to pay some money to be able to do it. That is a taxable event as well. And the other thing, if you're, sorry, did I tell you that? Yeah, it is a taxable event. You're going to miss your match, and you're going to pay a penalty for taking your money out sooner than you should, okay? Because it's a retirement account. You don't want to do that. I think those are pretty much all the points. My biggest point is don't sell your stuff tomorrow. Don't do that. Black folks are already in the bottom pool of the wealth, of building wealth, right? Don't put yourself in a position where you're not going to be able to grow your money, okay? One other thing, I saw people saying, oh, I'm going to start putting my money in the dresser and in the mattress. Okay, let's say you do that. What if Booney and them come over? Booney come over, y'all money gone, right? What if there's a flood? What if there's fire? Well, you've seen that happen lately. do not put your money, your literal money, at risk of loss. That is loss, right? Don't put your money at risk of it being in your hand and leaking out of your hand. Leave it in that account and allow it to grow. There's a way for your money to grow, right? You got it? Or you want me to get it? I'm too old for this. I'm sorry. All right, you're welcome. Do not put your money at risk. Okay, so listen, let me tell you this. I retired early, 6.5 years ago, at the age of 49. All right, I was able to do that because I invest well, because I understand it and I understand what I need to put my money into. I put my money into things that grow in value. All right, so what I want you guys to know is I have a course called 21 Days to Fearless Investing. The word fearless is in there for a reason, so that you are not fearful about investing. That is going to be the best way for you to grow your money. All right, so to get that course, it is $147 right now. It will be $197 next week. The reason it's $147 is because it's early bird pricing. Okay, now I can't say certain things on TikTok. What I will tell you is, if you go up there where my picture is, where that Brown Girls Invest 2 is, and tap that, and then you go in there and you see beacons, that will be a path. I'm getting around this. That will be a path for you to get to my course, okay? The course is packed with everything you're going to need to know to be able to invest, whether you are a new investor or whether you are someone that is already investing, but maybe your returns haven't been that great. I teach you the things you need to know to be able to tweak it so that you are paying less fees and that your returns end up being better. You guys mess around $147 doing whatever you're doing, whether you're going out, popping bottles, buying a purse or shoes or whatever. What I'm teaching you is going to last you for your life, and it's going to make you hundreds, thousands, and possibly hundreds of thousands of dollars over your investing life. Go ahead and get it. Again, up there at my in my, I can't say it, at where my picture is, tap that. Go in there, you will see beacons, and that will allow you to purchase the course. Please, guys, do not get out of your 401ks. That's going to be your best opportunity to grow your money. You guys have a great one, and I'll talk to you soon.